In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Keep app. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to take notes and manage to-do lists on your Android phone, Google Keep is a great choice. It's fast, free, and it automatically syncs your notes across your devices so they're always with you. We'll start in the Google Play Store, which is the app marketplace on Android. Open the Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. At the very top, you'll see a search bar. Tap the search bar to bring up the keyboard, then type Google Keep. You should see the official listing called Google Keep Notes and Lists. It usually has a yellow light bulb icon and is easy to spot in the results. Tap that listing to open the app's page. On the app page, you'll find the Install button. Go ahead and tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app, and you'll see a progress bar as it installs. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. If your internet is a bit slow, that's okay. Just let it finish. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change. You'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch Google Keep right away. That's it. You now have Google Keep installed on your Android phone. From here, you can start using it immediately. Keep is designed to make quick capture effortless. Jot down notes, create to-do lists with checkboxes, and organize thoughts on the fly. If you like to save more than text, you can add photos to your notes, record quick voice memos that Keep will save for you, and set reminders so you don't forget important tasks or ideas. Reminders can be attached to specific notes, helping you stay on track throughout your day. One of the best parts about Google Keep is that it syncs automatically with your Google account. That means your notes and lists stay updated across your phone, tablet, and even the web version, so you can start something in one place and continue it somewhere else without missing a beat. To recap, open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar, type Google Keep, choose Google Keep, Notes and Lists, tap Install, wait for the download to complete, and then tap Open. You're ready to start capturing your ideas, organizing tasks, and keeping everything in one accessible place. Enjoy using Google Keep to stay organized and productive every day.